In the previous video, we have understood the change in the quantity demanded. In this video, we will understand the change in the demand. See, in the previous video, there was change in the quantity demanded due to change in the pricing. In this change in the demand, this is change in your quantity demanded due to change in the other factors. Change in quantity demanded due to change in the other factors. This we have understood before. See, we have done before that the quantity demand, your demand has five factors that affect your demand, right? The price of related goods, income, your taste and preferences, your expectation. So here, let us take the effect of income on your demand, right? So let's see, your income was rupees 20,000. Now your income has increased to 30,000. Right? The quantity demanded at this point of time of a particular product, let's say, was 100 units. At this, it will increase to, let's say, 150 units. Fine. So let's see the effect of change in the quantity demanded due to change in the other factors. The other factors are your income, your price of related goods, your taste and preferences, and your expectations. Fine. See, effect of income on your demand. Your income is 20,000. Your income has increased to 30,000, means there is rise in your income. I told you in case of normal goods, the income effect is positive, which means rise in the income means your quantity demanded will also rise. Let's see it on the graph. What do we take on graph? We take price, we take quantity demanded, right? Your price of a product is, let's say, 20 rupees. Your quantity demanded, let us take on the scale of 50, 100, 150, 200. The price, now see, the price of the commodity has not changed. What has been changed there? What factor has been affected? The factor here is income. So you cannot plot that income on this graph because you are, while making your demand curve, you have two variables, that is price and your quantity. So on graph you cannot take this third variable of income. So at this point you make demand curve with your price and quantity. So at this point the price of the quantity has not changed, your income has changed. So at 20,000 of income you were demanding 100 units. At 30,000 of your income, you're demanding 150 units. So this was your initial demand curve, your A point when your income was 20,000, and this is your next demand curve. Let's label it as D1, D1, right? When your income has become 30,000 from 20,000, your income has increased, your quantity demanded has also increased. So there is a rightward shift of your demand curve, that is your increase in demand. I hope you all have understood. The quantity first was 100 rupees, now it has become 150 rupees. So the quantity demanded has increased, due to the change in the income, the other factor, irrespective of the price here is constant. So this is increase in the demand curve. That is, your demand curve is shifted to the right side. Now let's suppose if your income has reduced. First your income was 50,000, let's say. Now your income has reduced to 30,000 because of XYZ reasons. At 50,000, your quantity demanded was of a particular product 200 units. Now income has reduced. Definitely, you will somewhere reduce your expenses. You will reduce your quantity demanded. So you ultimately you will be demanding less. So the quantity demanded here will become, let's say, 100. Let's take this on graph now. Your x-axis, your y-axis, your price, your quantity. Let's take price as constant because it will be constant. There is no change in the price of the product. There is change in your income. Just this is the reason you are shifting your demand. At income of 50, you were demanding. Here we can take 50, 100, 150, 200. 200 units of that particular good. Now at 30,000 of your income, you are demanding only 100. This was your initial demand, D. Now this has become your D1. It has shifted, the demand curve has shifted, your quantity demanded has reduced from 200 to 100, right? Your change in quantity demanded is reduced from 200 to 100. The initial demand curve was here, now you started demanding this. So there is backward shift of demand curve. You have reduced your quantity demanded, so this is decrease in demand. The same way the change in quantity demanded had two parts, that is extension and contraction. And change in demand also have two parts. That is, number one is your increase in demand. Number two is decrease in demand. I hope you have understood this completely.